Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Poco M4 Pro device. First, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So, as you can see, there is a 2ip.io website. Thanks to this website you can see how websites see your location. And now we need to change it. So, as you can see, we are in Poland now. But now open Play Store and install Turbo VPN application. Open it, tap install, wait a while, click open, choose start now, tap on the cross on the right corner, and now on the right top corner you can see the globe. Here you can you can select the country to connect to. For example, I want to connect to Germany server, so choose Limburg for example, choose OK, wait a while, and now reload to ip.io site, and you can see that we are in Germany, in Limburg now. So that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.